Since 1984, HW Machinery has been your trusted partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. Today, we proudly present our latest innovation, the Big Bins washing machine. Engineered for high-efficiency cleaning of large bins, crates, trays, and containers. Perfect for meat processing, food production, livestock and poultry plants, logistics, and more. This machine adopts a 3-stage cleaning process across a 6-meter body. Stage 1. Hot alkaline water cleaning. Stage 2. Hot or clean water rinse. Stage 3. Final rinse with room temperature water. Each section features independent circulating tanks and a powerful 4-sided high-precision spray system. An integrated brush roller removes sticky residues completely, ensuring deep and hygienic cleaning. The cleaning chamber has movable waterproof doors on both sides and soft sealing curtains for perfect waterproofing. The stainless steel electrical control box ensures safe operation with centralized power and an emergency stop button. Built with precision and reliability, this machine guarantees hygienic, efficient, and safe washing performance worldwide. If you'd like to customize your own bin, crate, or tray washing machine, contact HW Machinery today with your bin size and hourly capacity needs. HW Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.